ở con ôn chương pra ban thầm ở đây bạn được không nó chà 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 ở conสวัสดีบางคนตอนนี้อะไรนี่คือในขยมบ้านมาดอซิมเรียบติดให้จมูกบองโปรกูนะบองพอกอดบ้านมาเลยซิมเรียบจิลึกตีปีในขนมไข่นี่ได้ซายังมีแพลนมาปีวิลเวนบัดน้ำบองให้ในขยมกระทานังนอมบองเตยเลนปล่อยป้ายแต่แล้วยังดูแพลนมาซิมเรียบวิ่งให้กอดจังมาเลยซิมเรียบได้ซามาแวะมนโจชนะเหมือนช้าอัดบ้านดาวเลนในประสาทยังก็ยังสมัยมาให้ในขยมมานี่คือมาจมูกบองโปรกูนะคาราแมนให้สานะกับบ้านมาเลยในขยมได้ติดก่อนเจอมาดาวอะไรให้ขยมมาสมัยในโรสเอพอลสเวียได้บางคนได้ซาบางคนดังเสียบให้ทาโรสเอพอลสเวียได้ในขยมทลอบมาสำระมีภาคสกเพียบบอกหลักรูรีเระเตะไกลจอดลานทมตะเลี้ยให้ประตูก็ทมตะเลี้ยมีนสัมผัสครบครันสำหรับยังเนี่ยมาปิดง่ายปลาในที่นี่มันใบตะเบาอดหรือก็จานชนังไอสัมผัสไอถือบานจ้ะฮัลโหลบอเลิกตีปีนะซิมเรียบ
Second time at Rose Apple Square. I came here last year during New Year's, and I absolutely love it. The rooms are nice and spacious and very well decorated, and makes me feel right at home, away from home.
จ้าองค์พระองค์สำหรับบองพระองค์ได้มาปีสกกล้าวรอกระไรสรูลเก่งพาสกเพียบอนามัยสันสกหล่อให้ในเจ็ดพอบสตรีทซาดิเตรเตียคือมาคอนโดรสไอพอลสเฟียร์คอเตบองพระองค์จะมีนสวิมมิ่งจะให้มีนจิมของได้ให้นิชมทรอบบางให้ในขนมวิดีโอมนในปันใต้นิชมจังปราบบองพระองค์บันติเตียได้ซาอันนี้ขยมจังเอาบองพระองค์มากระไรได้ละโดยนิชมบันบางให้บองพระองค์จังนะในขนมนี้คือยมโยวันยูนิตทูเบดรูมมีนกระไรทั่วมโฮมีนยังไอบอกขาบ้านมีนกระไรกุยเล่นมือตัวมีนสเปนกุยเล่นแขวมือหางหายตักนังเตสเพียบให้ประตูตักปีประตูเก่งปีหลังนี้นี่ขยมสมัยมันติดบองพอกอดจับดามบอกขาเรียบจอมมาไอในตีนี้ยังนังเตยเล่นกรงซิมเรียบไปหลังนี้จมวยนี่ขยมประตูมาติดนี่ขยมนังนวมบองโปรในไทยสายแต่ได้เล่นไปไทยติดโดยในขยมใหญ่จังเบาตีนี้คือยังสวยจะมีมันสันบอกอามีกระไรเพิ่มโฮให้ซ้อมไปเดี๋ยวไอ้ยังตีนจะมาย้ำยังไอ้ด่านในขนมตู้ตะกอบ้านจ้ะยังหยิบจอมยังเต้ยังมีตู้ตะกอทงแต่เรียนเหมือนเต้น
Can I bomb too now?
เย่บองอันนั้นถอยบองสันตะกอ
Okay, that's good. That's not good. That's good. Come on.
ด่ามวยน้ายเนี่ย
Leaf softener.
อันนี้สำหรับดับตักได้ยังสบู่ตักสบู่เชิญติดมันนี่บองโปรกูน่าก็เรียบจอมบอกอาคือยมเรียบจอมสัมผัสอะไรบ้างย้ำพลายเชอไอ้ตอนมันด่านงตูเต้ให้คาเมราแมนย้อมก็เรียบจอมไม่บ้านด่านขนมประตูจ้ะนี่มีประตูตักมวยคลีนเหมือนแต่มีกระไรมวยตักดักเจาะให้ยังมีจานก้นจ้ะให้นี้ประตูตักประตูเกยมวยจ้ะประตูเกยมวยอยู่ประหารคลักใจจูนบอกอ้อนฮัลโหลคาเมราแมนให้นี้อันนี้กระไรยังจ้ะตู้ดักซ้อมไปเด็ก
We put the clothes in here.
yes เมียน
The iron.
จ้ะ
Umbrella.
ทมตะเลียนเหมือนเต้นสมัยยังดักเอาให้สมัยประตูนี่คือตุกตักได้เดี๋ยวไล่นักน้องนั่งมองบอกอ้อนจ้ะเมียนตู้ดักเอาทมตะเลียจ้ะเมียนกิจจะเมียนตุกตักทมตะเลียให้ดังประตูเก่งให้บองพอก่อนไอ้บางมือติดเพียบในคางแถวมันให้นี้บองพอนี่ประตูก็ทมตะเลียนได้โจนน้องกับดำใบกับไอ้ประตูยืนมือเตอร์ใหญ่ใหญ่อะยังสลายคอนโดรถไอพอสเวียได้ทราบเกย์ทัวร์มาโดยเตะยังต่างมูลหมองยังเรียบชอมไอเต้าสวยจ้ะอันนี้คือไอ้นี่จำยังเรียบประธานติดจ้านี่คือประตูยมสมัยจ้าจมวยนั่งหมายฮัสแบนย้อมให้ประตูบองกุน่าหนึ่งหมกนี่ย้อมเลือกมดสไตล์บองปอนยมสไตล์บองพอร์ตใช่ปะกาเปชนามดบองพอร์ตกอดเอาโยวันยูนิตทูเบดรูมย้อมแต่โยปีประตูดัดในไลฟ์เซนขี้นี่ยังเต้ยังอัดบ้านเลยจัดขี้นี่บ้านใหญ่เล่นขี้นี่เราไปชนามนี้ยังโยวันยูนิตทูเบดรูมมาแต่นั้นยังมีปีประตูเก่งมีกระไรกุยเล่นมือตุ้ตู้ให้มีกระไรเพิ่มฮอบยังเจนโจนใหญ่จมูกขี้นี่จากกับไม้ออฟซอกยังให้บองพอนจ้ะให้ชนามนี้คือโยบานโดยจัดจากชนามมุนบองพอกดมอมในไอได้ยังเหียงออฟซอกอันนี้แมนน้อง
ดังนั้นตามเจียง10 ឆ្នាំហើយ
តាមជាង10 ឆ្នាំហើយទើបតែសុំបង្ហាញមុខ សុំឲ្យបង្ហាញមុខ ខ្ញុំអ្នកសុំគាត់បងប្អូនគាត់អត់សូវចង់ចូលកាមេរ៉ាឯងហើយមាន fan ខ្ញុំច្រើនមែនតើគាត់ចង់ឃើញកាមេរ៉ាមែនខ្ញុំហើយកាមេរ៉ាមែនខ្ញុំគឺជា husband ខ្ញុំ មានអីត្រូវនិយាយតិចអត់
It is the fifth time we stay in Rosa Paswa in Siem Reap. It makes us very comfortable and safe. So anytime we come here, we stay in Rosa Paswa. Nice condo.
Yes thank you
Yeah.
thank you កាមេរ៉ាមែនទីបំផុតខ្ញុំបង្ខំឲ្យគាត់បានចូលកាមេរ៉ាខ្ញុំបានក្នុងវីដេអូខ្ញុំបានហើយបងប្អូនប្រហែលជាពេលឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំនឹងឲ្យគាត់ចូលវីដេអូខ្លះៗកុំឲ្យបងប្អូនគាត់ឆ្ងល់ទេធីតាមិនអត់ចង់បង្ហាញកាមេរ៉ាមែនចាដោយសារគាត់អត់សូវចង់ចូលវីដេអូទេ
អូយបាត់ភ្នែកបានទៀតខ្លាច Oh, guy, I try to keep inside the water, but I scared to open my eyes. Come on.
បងធ្វើកាមេរ៉ា avoid space Starbucks នេះខ្ញុំមិនដឹងថាកំងមួយទៀតខ្ញុំឲ្យបងប្រុសគូណាអ្នកកំងឲ្យសារគាត់ចង់ឲ្យខ្ញុំសាកឲ្យខ្ញុំភ្លក់រសជាតិទៀតហើយ Starbucks តែបងកំងនេះ cappuccino យ៉ាង cappuccino រសជាតិវាមាន caramel cappuccino មាន cream មាន chocolate ហើយវាមាន កាហ្វេតិចៗយ៉ាងទៅឆ្ងាញ់ខ្លាំងមែនតើចាខ្ញុំមិនចង់សាករបស់វាតែទូទីឆ្ងាញ់ក៏យើងអត់ហ៊ានដែរចាខ្ញុំធ្លាប់តែញ៉ាំកាហ្វេ Amazon ហើយនឹងកាហ្វេភាសាកាហ្វេភាសារសជាតិស្រៀង Amazon ដែរចាអញ្ចឹងពីហ្នឹងខ្ញុំចិត្តដូចគ្នា
พี่รักกันนะแข่งที่นี่
អានេះខ្ញុំអានេះស្រៀងបាយ័នតែបាយ័ននៅចាញ់ទៀត
ហើយបងប្អូននេះគឺ passion ជំផ្លែស្វាយជាមួយនឹងរសជាតិស្វាយស្រស់យើងជាមួយនឹង passion ផ្លែ passion ហើយគេធ្វើអានេះដូចក្លុកចូលគ្នាហើយរសជាតិវាគឺផ្អែមឡំខ្ញុំគិតថាគេអត់ប្រើស្ករទេចាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំបានចេញពី Walk Heritage ជាមួយបងធីតាហើយបងកូនណាហើយយើងបន្តដំណើរមកមើលនៅខាងសួនព្រះរាជដំណាក់ចិត្តព្រះអង្គចេញព្រះអង្គចោមឥឡូវនេះបងប្រុសធ្វើលក្ខណៈទេសចរអំណានគឺគាត់មកដាក់ទីតាំងនៅទីនេះបើបងប្អូនណាចូលចិត្តអានបងប្អូនមកទីនេះដើម្បីអានសៀវភៅបងប្អូនអាចមើលបានចា
អសាណាគាត់ចង់នាំខ្ញុំមកឲ្យស្គាល់កន្លែងដែលបងប្រុសម្នាក់គាត់បានបង្កើតកម្មវិធីមួយគាត់មានកូនឡានគាត់ដាក់សៀវភៅគ្រប់
2000 ក្បាល
ចាដើម្បីឲ្យបងប្អូនកូនខ្មែរយើងគាត់ទៅនេះហើយគាត់អាននិយាយទៅគឺអាន free ហ្មងបងប្អូនការអានទទួលបានចំណេះដឹងយល់ដឹងបានច្រើនតាមគូតាមការយល់ឃើញរបស់ខ្ញុំប្រជាជនខ្មែរគឺគាត់អត់ទាន់មានការអានសៀវភៅច្រើនដូចនៅជនជាតិបរទេសនេះចាបងប្រុសគាត់មានចំណិតបង្កើតជាក្រុមដើម្បីឲ្យបងប្អូនកូនខ្មែរយើងមានពេលអានមានសិទ្ធិអានដោយមិនចំណាយថវិកាខ្ញុំក៏ជាកោតសរសើរគាត់មែនទែនបងប្អូនដែលគាត់មានចំណិតបែបនេះណាហើយគាត់អត់មានចំណូលឯបានមកវិញទេគ្រាន់តែថាគាត់បានផ្ដល់ចំណេះដឹងឲ្យប្រជាជនរបស់គាត់ចា
ហើយសំខាន់នោះបងប្អូនគាត់មិនមែនធ្វើទេសចរណានេះតាមមួយខេត្តសៀមរាបទេបងគឺគាត់ធ្វើសម្រាប់25ខេត្តក្រុង
សាណានាំខ្ញុំមកកន្លែងថ្មីនេះ Handmade Cambodia ចាគឺកន្លែងដែលយើងធ្វើពីស្នាដៃ
ផលខ្មែរធ្វើដោយដៃអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ស្ត្រីមេផ្ទះដែលគាត់ទៅនេះអត់មានការងារអីចឹងគឺគេជួយមកស្គាល់ស្អាតបងប្អូននៅក្នុងនេះគឺគ្រឿងចាក់ទាំងអស់
មិនគ្រឿងចាក់គ្រឿងអត្រាគ្រឿងអីណាចាគ្រឿងរបស់យើងចាក់តែចាប្រើយើងចាក់ដោយដៃជើងខ្ញុំទេណាបងជើងតែស្អាតណាមើលបតោខោបតោអីនេះចាយើងចាំបាច់នាំចូលទៅអីបងប្អូនយើងទៅនេះនៅផ្ទះយើងចាក់ទៅហើយបោះស្នាដៃកូនខ្មែរយើងទិញយកទៅដាក់សោយើងទៅផ្សារកូឡាផ្សារអីនេះស្អាតមែនតើនិយាយទៅការងាររបស់បងចូលចិត្តណាចាក់
design សូត្រ
design សូត្រនេះបងគូណាសូត្របាត់សូត្រ អរគុណចាបងមកគាត់ធ្វើឆ្នៃស្អាតណាបងប្អូននេះគឺស្ពាន់ណាស្ពាន់លូកខ្សែភ្លើងយើងហ៎ចាគេយកមកពាក់ដៃលេងម៉ូដស្អាតមែនតើចាឥឡូវអត់ទាន់ពេញនិយមទេចាំមើលតិចទៀតណាដឹងថាសបោនេះសម្បីតែជិនក៏ធ្វើពីស្ពាន់ហើយយើងដាក់កាំដាក់ត្បូងមួយដែរកំណត់ឆ្នៃកំណត់បងប្អូនខ្មែរយើងបងប្អូនជួយគាត់ក្រៅផងចាយើងលេងម៉ូដភាសាដូចជាកបលអីណាក៏មានម៉ូដច្រើនដែរនេះគឺជាគ្រឿងលម្អរបស់មនុស្សស្រីមានកវលមានកងហើយមានកវលគ្រប់ម៉ូដមានក្រាស់ហើយគេធ្វើចេញពីស្នែងដំរីចាស្នែងក្របីស្នែងក្របីស្នែងក្របីស្នែងក្របីនិយាយទៅស្អាតទៅមានគ្រប់ម៉ូដហ្មងចានេះស្នែងក្របីដែរចាអូហើយយើងយកមកឆ្នៃធ្វើជាកវលធ្វើជាខ្សែកចាស្អាតដល់បងប្អូនជួយគ្រប់ត្រស្នាដៃកូនខ្មែរយើងផងបងប្អូនដោយសារនេះសម្រាប់យើងស្មើឥឡូវយើងអត់សូវចង់ពាក់មាសពាក់ផ្លាទីនអីយើងពាក់ម៉ូដបែបនេះសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំអ្នកចូលចិត្តចា1គីឡូមែនទេបងសុទ្ធតែមាសពេជ្រ
បាល់តង់ទៅ
ចាបាល់តង់ចាស់នេះចាចាយឆ្នៃធ្វើជាគ្រឿងលម្អបងប្អូននេះកបិលកំប៉ុងយើង
មានកបិលកំប៉ុងស្រាកបិលកំប៉ុងភេទជ្ជៈយើង
ចា
គេមកកែច្នៃជាប្រមូលគ្រឿង
ចាអូនេះប្រមូល
មានទាំងមួយជើងនេះច្នៃមក
នេះធ្វើពីខ្នោតហើយនឹងឈើក្នុងឈើអីចឹងបងប្អូនចានេះក៏ជាឈើរបស់ខ្មែរយើងដែរកាលពីជំនាន់ខ្ញុំនៅទូចាបានអានជៀននេះបងប្អូនអើយស្រឡាញ់ណាស់ឲ្យតែលឺចាស់មកលេងសៀមរាបអីផ្ញើទិញជៀនហ្នឹងហើយនឹងទិញកងអាគេធ្វើពីផ្ដៅហ្នឹងណាចាឥឡូវនៅសម័យឥឡូវក៏នៅមានដែរបើបងប្អូនមកលេងសៀមរាបកុំភ្លេចមកលេងកន្លែងនេះមានផលិតផលខ្មែរជាច្រើនហើយបងប្អូន
ចាផលខ្មែរធ្វើដោយដៃ
ចាបងប្អូនមកជួយទិញបងប្អូនខ្មែរយើងផងបងប្អូនជួយទិញក៏ដូចជួយកូនខ្មែរយើងដែរដោយសារនេះជាផលិតផលដែលធ្វើដោយដៃចាពីកូនខ្មែរបើបងប្អូនជួយទិញណាដូចជួយឲ្យគាត់មានការងារធ្វើផងដែរចាពេលខ្លះផលិតផលខ្លះខ្មែរយើងធ្វើបានតែបងប្អូនផលិតផលមានតែអត់អីអញ្ចឹងយើងចាំបាច់ប្រើរបស់នាំចូលអីយើងប្រើរបស់ខ្មែរយើងមកសំបីតែចកោះយ៉ាយើងប្រើបើយើងអ្នកថៃយើងប្រើបានរាប់ឆ្នាំមកបងប្អូនអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅទិញបោះកែច្នៃដាក់ថ្នាំដាក់អីដាក់មកចេញកំពុះចាបើយើងប្រើចេះហើយយើងលាងសម្អាតដាក់នៅផ្ទះយើងល្អចាលក់មិនមិនក៏អានោះ10000 3000មានប៉ុន្មានមាន5គូ5គូអូបានតែ5គូអាខ្នោតនេះមានមកឈុតទៀតអត់ពីយកនេះចង់បាន2ឈុតគាត់នេះ
មានទាំងឈុត
នេះចង់បាននេះវាចង់បានពណ៌កម្
អានេះសេរីមុនដើមវាចាស់ក្រោយដើមវាអត់ទៅចាស់ទៅវារៀងគឺ
ដើមចាស់ល្អជាង
ចាដើមចាស់ល្អតែបើស្រឡាញ់យកអានេះល្អជាងអានេះឈើធ្នងគឺអត់រីកទេបើថ្នោតយើងប្រើយូរទៅអាចនឹង
មឺតហ៎បងមឺតហើយយកធ្នងនឹងលោកមិន
អានេះដូចគ្នា
2ឈុត15សំបីតែថង់ច្រកនេះល្អណាស់នេះបងប្អូនអានោះយើងកុំប្រើថង់ផ្លាស្ទិកយើងការច្នៃចឹងទាំងអស់មកនេះអូលើកមែនតើចាមួយដុំគឺ$2បងប្អូនស្មើ5គូជិតមនុស្ស5នាក់អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំយក2ដុំស្មើ10នាក់ចា
safe environment
ជួយគ្រប់គ្រងផលិតផលខ្មែរយើងចង់នាំបងប្អូនទៅជាប់ត្រីមួយនឹងខ្ញុំទៅជាប់ត្រីយកប្រទេសឡង់ទៀតទៅស្អាតបងប្អូនយើងមួយចំនួនចូលចិត្តប្រើរបស់នាំចូលដូចជាសម្ភារៈច្រើនមែនទែនដែលខ្មែរយើងអាចចាយឆ្នៃនិងធ្វើបានដូចជាចកោះដូចអីចុះបើយើងជួយគ្រប់គ្រងរបស់ខ្មែរយើងចាដូចជួយបងប្អូនយើងជួយការងារពួកគាត់ដែរចឹងខ្ញុំចង់ជំរុញបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាងាកមករកផលិតផលរបស់ខ្មែរឆ្នៃដោយដៃកូនខ្មែរយើងចាខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យបងប្អូនដែលអ្នកធ្វើ content ច្រើននៅក្នុងស្រុកខ្មែរយើងខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យមកកន្លែងនេះដើម្បីប្រម៉ូទផលិតផលរបស់ខ្មែរយើងឲ្យបងប្អូនខ្មែរយើងបានស្គាល់បានដឹងទីតាំងហើយក៏ឲ្យបងប្អូននៅក្រៅស្រុកគាត់ដឹងគាត់ស្គាល់ទីតាំងហើយចង់បានផលិតផលរបស់ខ្មែរយើងដែរយើងជួយប្រម៉ូទគ្នាដើម្បីឲ្យផលិតផលខ្មែរយើងកាន់តែរីកចម្រើនចាដូចជួយជាជនយើងយ៉ាងធ្វើពីអីគេនោះធ្វើពីប្រាក់សុទ្ធ
ប្រាក់92.5
យ៉ា
ចាបើយើងធ្វើប្រាក់សុទ្ធទាំងម្ដងវាធ្វើអត់ការទេវាទុន
តែនេះបានពាក់នៅសៀមរាបអូខេបងប្អូន ឥឡូវនេះអត់មានអីច្រើនទេខ្ញុំបានបង្ហាញតែប៉ុណ្នេះតែជូនបងប្អូនទស្សនារួមបងទូណាទៅរួមលេងម្ដង
តែញ៉ាំអី
ទៅរួមលេងបន្ទាប់ពីនេះខ្ញុំដើរលេងកន្លែងផលិតផលខ្មែរទៅជូនបងប្អូនវិញឥឡូវនេះយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមមកអង្គុយលេងហើយកន្លែងនេះបែបនេះក៏បែបខ្មែរមកបានលេងដែរមានស្រាមានរបស់ញ៉ាំចាយើងចង់ញ៉ាំពីបានដែរហើយកន្លែងនេះនៅជិតស្ទឹងសៀមរាបយើងចាចង់បងប្អូនដែលមកលេងចង់បាញ់លក្ខណៈថាលេងសាមញ្ញអីអត់ចង់ទៅខុសព្រឹកអាចមកតាមដងស្ទឹងនៅឯសៀមរាបយើងបានចា
ចាំបងប្អូនយើងមើលមនុស្សសិនទៅកន្លែងនេះគឺលក្ខណៈបងប្អូនចូលចិត្តឈៀលចានិយាយទៅគេមានគ្រប់បែបរបៀបថាចង្វាក់យើងញាក់បន្តិចចង្វាក់ slow បន្តិចក៏មានដែរចាក់បត់
បើយើងចង់រំ slow ក៏បានយើងចង់រំញាក់ក៏បានយើងចង់ពេលដែលយើងផាត់សាយើងពេលខ្លួនយើងអាចលោតទឹកលេងបានតែទឹកហ្នឹងចាសប្បាយខ្ញុំមកបានកំងអីបងប្អូនចាំមើលបងប្អូនគាត់កំងអីមក
ទុកឲ្យគាត់អ្នក
ព្រោះយើងអត់ស្គាល់
ព្រោះខ្ញុំអត់ទៅមើលដល់ទៅស្គាល់ទេព្រោះខ្ញុំអត់ស្គាល់
Hey cheers really this is the water
Yeah, that's grape juice.
oh my god it's grape juice with I think make me drunk though this grape juice
ខ្ញុំវិញខំតែ
Penuh margarita or
លុ
something
មកការីតា
Bong whiskey
Jameson.
oh
Double
Jameson.
shot of Jameson.
Cheers thank you for one glass of red wine it surprised me though I don't drink long time I drink only for my family birthday before I can say like nearly 5 years ago
ផ្អែមស្រួលញ៉ាំមកបងប្អូនតែសបងប៉ះជើងក៏ដឹងខ្លួនហើយផ្អែមឆ្ងាញ់ស្រួលញ៉ាំហើយបងប្អូនគាត់កំងឲ្យពួកខ្ញុំសត្វស្រាបើគាត់វិញទឹកតែអូ
Whiskey.
whisky ចានិយាយលេងបងប្អូន whisky
បងដាក់ទៅដល់ចេញក្បាច់
មកជាមួយកាមេរ៉ាមែនយ៉ាសบายទាំងអស់គ្នា
Tortilla dancing tonight.
all dancing
cheer សុំ cheer មួយដែរ cheer
Can I know this name please
Strawberry daiquiri.
strawberry
Daiquiri
Yeah.
oh let me try
Good.
Good.
sweet
yeah little bit sweet
after my first time very good
Cheers
cheers
to Tina, Zana, and Dylan
yeah thank you
for being such a good host in Cambodia.
thank you so much Bong
I don't know when I'll be back, but I'll be back.